Happy New Year! Welcome back to Tea on Taxes. Who's ready for 2025? Anyways, it's that time of year where we go ahead and make resolutions. So I'm going to go ahead and suggest some 2025 tax resolutions that you can do. I know I'll be doing them, and they'll be a lot easier than saying, oh, I'm going to hit the gym, because yeah, I won't have time for that. So here are some of the top 3 resolutions that I'm going to suggest for you going into this new year that we're in. First resolution is get organized. Start by go ahead and creating a folder, be it a physical or a digital one, for all of your tax documents. This way, so when they start coming in from various places, like the mail or even email, you can go ahead and make sure to have a copy all in this one centralized place. Now, if you do get a physical document, I highly recommend that you do scan it with your phone or some type of scanner, and try to have a digital copy with all the rest of your digital documents. Now, by having everything in one place, this will make it so much easier when you go to file. Now, many tax companies like us have a custom portal where you can go ahead and virtually send all of your documents to them before you even step into the front door. And this way you don't have to worry about losing them on the way or throughout the week and be like, honey, where did you put that document? Now, one thing I always do is as soon as I get my tax documents, or my husband does, I upload it straight to my client portal. This way I, or my tax pro, aka me, will have 24 access to it if something like that was to happen, like a natural disaster or anything like that. Now, I know this would have been a big preventative for many of my Harvey victim clients, and that they wish they would have done this because they lost a lot of tax documents that weren't reconstructable. Now, the second resolution I say is make sure you track your expenses. If you're a freelance worker, gig worker, or just a small business owner, you want to keep a log throughout the year of your deductible expenses, because this can save you money. Now, there are apps out there like QuickBooks Online, or you can even use like a simple Excel or Google spreadsheet, because Google's free, and these will work great for this. I'm actually working on a small business workbook right now to go ahead and help small business owners manage and track their income and expenses, because I know with my own small business that it can be really overwhelming. And at the end of the year, to go ahead and try to figure out what did the heck I buy? Oh my, wait, was that a business expense? And it is important to have documentation and a record book of all of your income and expenses in case you are ever audited by the IRS. You want to make sure they don't think you have more money than you really do. Resolution number 3, go ahead and you want to go ahead and plan ahead. And what I mean by that is taxes aren't actually a once a year thing like some people think. You're actually paying them all year long. And if you're an employee, that's coming out of your paycheck, and then your employer pays it quarterly for you. But normally you're supposed to pay quarterly, especially if you're self-employed. And so one thing you can do is check your withholdings, make estimated payments if you need to, and keep an eye on any tax law changes that might affect you, because there are some coming up. And we'll talk about that later. But if you need help figuring that out, we are always happy to help you with that too. But just remember, small steps now can lead to big tax savings, so don't wait. But if you're not sure where to start, we can always help you. We're right here in Clear Lake. So until next time, cheers to go ahead and sip and save it. And I hope you guys don't have a lot of hangovers from this New Year's Eve. If you do, black tea is great. Oh, bye.